Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 1994 Chevrolet Corvette convertible automatic in TorchRed on TorchRed interior. We'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, this one has a body kit on it, so it's got the ground effects, the rear spoiler. So we'll start back here. And we'll take a look over here. We'll see the interior back here. So there's your black dash. It has the red interior. And we'll come back here. You can see the back panels here. So it's got a hard tonneau cover. There is a white convertible top under there and it looks pristine. Coming back here is your gas fuel door with the Corvette emblem. As we come back here, you can see the rear spoiler. It's kind of a whale tail design, I like to call it. So it flips up. It looks great. And then you can see the iconic Corvette taillights there, the circular quad taillights. Down below, you can see it has the body kit down there, the ground effects, and it wraps around the exhaust. And you can see the exhaust has the bright tips, kind of a rectangular tip, and it has FlowMaster mufflers on it. Okay, we'll spin the car around here. We'll check out the wheels. So you can see it has the factory wheels on it. So it's the aluminum wheel. It's a Sawblade design. And we have brand new Continental tires on this car all the way around. We just put them on. They haven't hit the road yet. Behind we have four-wheel disc brakes with red brake calipers. And we'll check out the front here. And you can see they're in great condition. The wheels are in really good condition, especially being the aluminum. I don't see corrosion on them, so it's just a beautiful wheel. Coming to the interior here, so we have the TorchRed interior, so nice bright red with the black highlights here that kind of incorporate with the dash. We have power windows, your door release there. I'll show you the dash over here. So you got a nice black dash. You can see the condition is beautiful. No rips or tears or cracks. And we'll check out the jams here. And you can see the red carpet on the sills there. Beautiful. And then down below you can see all the carpet is in beautiful condition. Carpeted floor mats. Nice bright red TorchRed. We have the power seats here. Driver passenger 6-way power seat. So let's scan the condition here. These are leather as well. As we come up here, you're gonna see the Corvette emblem embroidered there and a really cool design. If you look at the driver's side, it's kind of reversed. And then we have the red seat belts to go in with the red interior as well. Back here under the panel, we do have the window sticker here. It's laminated. And then below that we have the factory build sheet, so all the codes there. There's a VHS tape there for the 94 Corvette. And then we have the owner's manuals back there as well. There is a compartment down here as well. So if I can open it up, there we go. So there's your storage compartment. And we'll close this door. And I will show you the rear spoiler here. So there's your rear spoiler, it flips up. Gives a little extra. As we come down here, you can see how beautiful everything looks here. Nice bright red, everything kind of goes together. The body colored side mirrors. And we'll stop down here. There's your ground effects, kind of gives it a lowered look. As we walk down here, you can see the beautiful paint. Here is your side skirts there. There's your vents. And you can see the gloss and the paint, everything just beautiful. So let me get a good view here. So there's your background there. You see my hand there. So just beautiful, phenomenal paint on this car. Come to the front here. So you can see the front spoiler here. It comes out pretty good there. We have the fog lights. And let's go to the engine bay. All right, so underneath the hood, you can see it looks great. Lights are working. There's your headlights. They're the flip-up headlights. We'll see them on in a bit. And then here is your engine bay. So it's the Corvette LT1 V8 producing 300 horsepower. This one is paired to the 4-speed automatic transmission. All right, we'll come to the other side, show you the engine over here. See all the mechanicals, they look great. Just a beautiful time capsule of the 94. All right, let's put the hood up here, or down I should say. Switch hands. All right, let's make our way around the car here. So again, we got the flip up headlights. They are down right now, obviously. There's your fog lights I was mentioning. It's got the front plate cover. This is Corvette. Here's your front emblem there. And we'll come into the paint here to show you how beautiful this paint is. Nice and shiny. It's been 5-stage polished by our team. So it's got the paint correction done to it, and it just glimmers. Let's see how beautiful it is. As far as flaws, there is one little touch-up spot right there. I see another one there. But otherwise, this paint is just beautiful. Okay, come to the wheels on this side here. The wheels look great here. Check out this wheel here. They all look great. All right, coming to the door panel. So we have the red and black. So again, the black coming in here kind of wraps around the dash here. We have heated mirrors there, if you see the symbol, power mirrors, power windows, and then here's your door release there. I'll show you the dash over here. So again, nice and clean, great condition. And then your door jambs here. The carpet looks great, nice and shiny throughout. I'll show you the pedals down there. There's your carpet. And then again, we have the power seats, so a 6-way power seat. And we'll scan the condition of the leather here. As you can see, it looks great. And let's pop up this top here. So you can see the condition under here looks great. Here's your white top, and it is beautiful. It's really white. It's got the rear window glass defogger there. And then again, down here we have see the speakers there. It's the Bose Delco system. And now we'll close that up. Let's hop in the car now. All right, get this door shut. And you can see, here's your vent. We have traction control here. Here's your headlights, your dimming light there. And I'm gonna turn on the lights here. So let's turn it on. You can see them flip up. You can see how quick they flip. Put them back off again. Coming down here, you got your fog lights. We do have tilt wheel, so this lever here tilts the wheel. And then we have your cruise control and your windshield wipers over here. We do have a key with this car, so we'll go ahead and start the car up. All right, we'll zoom back out here so you can see that wheel. So it's got the black leather wheel. You can see the condition is great, just feels nice. All leather wheel with the Corvette symbol in the center. In your dash here, you can see analog gauges and the digital cluster in the center. Mileage on this car, 10,836 miles. So that converts to about 17,000 kilometers. So very low kilometer C4 Corvette. Really cool to see it in this condition. Here's your visors, your mirror. Down here we got the vent. We got your driver information system here. Here's your idiot lights. Everything's off, so that's good. And then we have your climate control here. Here we have your stereo system, so it's a CD player, and it is the Delco-Bose Gold Series system. We also have a cassette player here as well. All right, here is your automatic transmission. Again, it's a 4-speed automatic. We have flip this up. You got a cup holder here. Here's an ashtray and a 12-volt socket there. Here we get your power seats, so driver, passenger, and then we have ride control in this car, so that's really cool. So you got tour, sport, and performance mode to change your ride feel. All right, we'll come over here. You got a black console cover. I'll open this up, and you can see we got compartments here, I believe, for cassettes. You got change pockets here, and then we got another compartment here. You can put some CDs or your wallet, your phone, other stuff like that. All right, we will open the door now. I'm gonna put the headlights back on. They look cool, flipped up. And let's give it a couple revs. And one more. Here it sounds healthy. So it's the LT1 Corvette. lights on. They're nice and crisp. They're halogen headlights. And just a beautiful, beautiful example of a 1994 convertible Corvette. Swing the car around here, check out the tail lights on, and listen to that exhaust idling. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. All right, so here we have it. This is a 1994 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, automatic, in TorchRed on TorchRed, with only 17,400 kilometers. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.